Hi, it's Keith, your sales funnel and tech support coach. And in this video, I'm going to briefly show you how to make a copy of any of the Google Docs you encounter, right? So essentially, you just go right up here, as you see in the picture, up to File, you hit Make a Copy. And then once you hit Make a Copy, you have the opportunity to change the name of the title of this Google Doc that you're going to create a copy of. So you can put your name before this if you'd like. And then all you need to do, I'm doing this with one hand actually, so that's why it kind of looks a little clunky. As I'm doing this, keep these unchecked, and then just keep them where it is. Or if you want to change it because you're going to put it in your own folder, feel free to do that, and then just hit OK. So once you do that, then you'll see the document has been created, or the copy of this document has been created. Then you go ahead and all you need to do is just take out this first page essentially, and then you just work from there, right? So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please reach out to tech support at clientsinabundance.com. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.